guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe because, you know, we doing a big out here. We're doing hair videos. We're doing vlogs. We're doing hair videos and vlogs. That's it, really. Tuesdays and Fridays, I think. I don't know. Don't quote me. I don't know. Anyway, so today, y'all, we're doing a hair video today. We're doing a back to school hairstyle. I feel like I haven't done a hairstyle video in so long. We're just gonna bring it back because I got the styles up here. But I'm just so lazy, I always put my hair in a puff or do a wash and go and I'd be on my way. Okay, so next thing's next. Alright, so if I'm keeping it real, I literally have not seen my hair outside of this bonnet since Sunday. Today's Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. So we're gonna see together what it's looking like. Last time I seen it, it was in a wash and go. I don't know if it's transformed into something else while it's been in there the past couple of days, but we're gonna see. So we're gonna see. Y'all ready? I'm afraid to look up because sis, looking like a whole troll doll. It's okay because we gonna work this out. Wow. All right, good. So that's the whole video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this back to school hairstyle, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Creme Nature, they just sent me a whole bunch of products. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. They just sent me 14 products. We are gonna get in there. This is just a few, because I have small hands and small arms. I can't carry them all, but this is just a few of them bad boys. And these are actually pretty much all the ones that we're gonna use today. So let's get on into this video. All right, so I went ahead and just rinsed my hair, and we're not gonna act like, my hair is it's just acting right. Like, who raised you, girl? They did a good job. So we're gonna go ahead and wash and condition my hair. So I'm gonna kind of speed through this part because you guys have seen me wash and condition my hair before, and I have used these products before. This isn't an initial review. You guys already know I love these products. But I am going to be using the Creme of Nature Coconut Milk Detangling and Conditioning Shampoo. And then I'll be using the Creme of Nature Coconut Milk Detangling and Conditioning Conditioner. Alright, y'all, so I definitely, this is what my hair is looking like right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the lock method while I do my hairstyle. So the first thing I'm gonna do is use their curl repair leave-in, and I've said this before, this is my favorite leave-in conditioner. Okay, it's my favorite. So y'all see how thick this conditioner is? Like, hello? And we like it thick. Alright, so I'm gonna just put this leave-in conditioner all throughout my hair. Alright, so this is the side with the leave-in conditioner and oil. I'm starting my lock method. We have the L, the leave-in, the O is for the oil. And this is the side of my hair with no product at all. Like, my hair is, whose head is this? Hello? When y'all find out, can you let me know? Alright, you guys, so I let my hair air dry. It's been about 2 hours now because the product, I put it on so thick on my hair. I didn't want to add any other products until that one kind of seeped in and locked into my hair. So I know I'm still in shock that all that's in my hair right now is leave-in conditioner by Creme of Nature and their 7 essential oil. Like, that's literally all that's in my hair, and it looks like I just did a wash and go with like 10 products. We're not gonna talk about it right now, but just know I'm coming for you guys with moisturized hair. All right, so what we're gonna do now, I'm going to do my hairstyle for you guys. The first thing I'm gonna do is split my hair in half from the front half to the back half. All right, so now I'm going to create a middle braid, like in the middle of my head, because I'm gonna have a small braid right here and then 2 braids on the side. Alright, so I have this middle piece. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the hydrating curl cream. I'm mostly going to be focused on the braid part of the hair. So for that part, I'll be using the 24-hour edge tamer so I can make sure that this braid is nice and put together. Now, I ain't the best braider out there in the world, you know, but we gonna do what we can do, you know. Make it do what it do. Alright, so I finished with my struggle braids in the front, and this is what it's looking like. Actually, on camera it looks pretty good now. I'm just going to put these up in one small rubber band, like that, and then we'll deal with the rest later. I did put some little twists out on the side. This one decided to curl up, and then this one decided to just kind of stay down. So I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with that in a little bit. For the back, we're gonna go ahead and do a little twist out. And the only product that I'm gonna use for the back is the coconut milk hydrating curling cream. So that's the only product I'm gonna use for the back. You guys see me do a twist out a million times, so I'm just gonna speed past that a little bit and just, you know, play that music for you starting now. Low key, this could be, you know, a little protective style on its own if I would have kept the twist in, but your girl ain't doing that. So let me give you 360. When they air dry a little bit more, I'm going to band them so I can stretch them out a little bit so I can have nice, big, full, fluffy hair. But as for right now, I'm going to just air dry, go to bed, and then I will see you guys in the morning. Hey guys, so it's the next morning. So as you can see, I banded my hair for about 2 hours this morning, and now I'm just going to take my bands down. So my twist should be pretty stretched now, so that this way I don't have to use any heat on my hair. But if I do have to use heat on my hair, it'll just be minimal heat. Okay, so I want to set my edges really quick so that they can set while I'm taking my twist down. So I'm just going back in with the 24-hour edge tamer, and I'm going to go ahead and set my edges. I'm gonna go back in with the 7 essential oils and then use that to put on my hands just a little bit and then take my twist down. I hope you guys really like this look. Thank you to Creme of Nature for sponsoring this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.